now MP no lose you know just mama for or can Japan camp and our bad droboswa current MP there as at now the or non casanga engine and name baby or but former why na on flew fence and Canada Mwaba you know or no so ewo can Japan ho that thing say hono and I bet Obabun region in pop in fence and Bono regional so far baby make back say ebia hono chances no ebia slim ebia mekano sa drobo inclusion because of those chieftains issue no and a Brikum East we say Brikum East last election can Japan every year ha nti wona say adwuma kakra den but in all me abawe me na ema me yemu nshim wande kura say nyame adoma me de betobo ema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia den alusu margin no ana ye bompa ye say enka at least anya hwe nka margin the way we twim events in 2023 no ka this time round ka enye den enye kese because uko campaign na say obere ni a now no delegates na kra wo obi timo frɛ wo say wo nipa so masi monko na monen kwa omo ankasa kyerɛ nipa so masi monko na monen kwa kasa ye hu ni yi omo akyɛ nipa so omo na no 50-50 bia no omo timo kyerɛ say monko nipa so masi wo monko aso monko we wo omo na kyerɛ kwanya campaign ye den emfa so ayen konti kyerɛ say nipa na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia message na tom na now no be na dwonyo mo say sabufu na e ba ya yankwa nkoto ba no anati bi munkoto yo mututie no niema mugina so a omanto no se ebi anka MPP timwe ne power ebi anka sa ne ma no nka won side nka won sabeti ma ne aka be now NDC be in power obu ofu sa ne ma no we den onsa anka papa ba ko bi bube wose wiase obi enu a obesore de sika akobo kokkohwe de nan na woji akokkohwe de nso untum kuuram na se wuti anyi na se kokkohwe de no ko na se wamba kokkohwe de nam na wanya anwe sika kokko so abo bi na MPP delegate ye 20 MPP for ye 2024 na ye de sika kokko ekobo dwoma ama na NDC for 9 na ye omoko ndi ade ye ma obufu ye se police na opose adwuma openti a wa ma wankoto ba no se adwuma na sat na se adwuma no nsenka was NDC no ha ye mfa se adwuma na emra wo MPP ni di atinye sa abufu nyina akofem but me kene Japan enkrofo no na obribu an ye ka asembi and very serious se nyame adona se ye weni abe ya doctor hu ni se enye MPP ni bia no ne be on board na obribu an ye ka asanse na no memenda en sa se na obribu an ye kan no e true pa doctor weni nyame adona
doctor no afa no ho adwunu na mo ka se enti da bia obe dindin sa da bia sa na da bia ni party na ni ma twitiri fom sa
go
no one popo kakra na ko show you peace also bia ni adu
oba me constituency a nipa o ye kene Japan campaign coordinator unu say nipa na ye ona bobo afọ wi ni campaign manager 2024 election nipa na o ye kene Japan campaign coordinator original campaign coordinator ona ye ona bobo afọ wi na na o ye ni campaign manager ne ono na sanse ono na da so ye kene Japan campaign manager no ono no kire say na Bawumia enka ne niema oba ye na bisa say na o ye campaign manager 2024 na o campaign no message be na o ko campaign ema offense Bawumia no ba afọ wi nti za campaign sa message na o de ko ye na sa message na Bawumia ko to mo nya se sa no ndi which me say na ya dane ye na de egwa bonti
message kura de after primacy and I say endorse no say wonu na ebedi animu a afi no de ne message bebu say see idea so one delegate na kasa and nsempa o ma delegate so waka ni nyina akere mu ne ma o de bre mu nyina waka say mutu abama no ene ma obe ya ma mu a mo delegate na enkoba say tem bia asa abato du so na mo ho mfa so na emu no ye tu aba ni wie na mo yi de obedi animu ma yi wie a asa mu hu hia biem wodi hihye ye bebre agu kwa mama nti no dia na no
but say about we me kan ha say ye tu ye na say bana champo obi tikana Japan a man nye obi amwa ye de na mfam dim ne ekọ ti ye tu ye na say bana champo obi tikana Japan a man nye MPP ni bia nwa ne bitima dey surprise bitima si wa ba we mu no they say ye ko to abana surprise say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lusu de any de bi si da the only surprise I bitima PM is epia bana champo bitima be the second amata Japan
bompa so say no so embre mo Me bomb pa say if it's the doctor and trim kase kra na branch up obedi second kra. My party.
Yeah.
Iti mama me man bisi ya.
That's user 556888523. User. Yeah,
ready.
Okasa de amaminsi. Obi ba so no okasa sa na misiro bi a nipa no. Obe report me keke no abegina so. Tie de yasem ye ba akupe o. Delegate yesremo. Ipa mo cho nyame bo na otwe se na emanda.
Presidents ne coordinators no. But then you see, so they are the view say, oh, kind of saying, youth, no, and no kind of yampa because pose about bonti, you know, actually say the Ghanaian people want Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. It's just an illusion or creativity. But what they find is some illusion, no cry correct. The point is that the NPP delegates a album to see no, okay, it constitutes majority of them above 45. Above 45.
Really?
Oh, yes. Above 45. It's like I say, means show me 80%. I'll look for that data. And I'm going to send one of these days you can show them. And so you see, I hope no Kanoma fail. Secondly, they are failing to understand that this is a delegate-based campaign and elections to get Babeko and yet the whole of Ghana.
They think it's the whole Ghana.
No. We see, that's what.
And then so from the sound say, you say, you don't see a fear, then Namura, or they may be, or the book, Quara.
And you see, they have to understand that Ghana hona ye wono. Okay. And you obiana the problem ejuma. Yes, the youth, we have a youthful population now. Most people want jobs. That is correct. But then you see, every government be aba Obabe creating Numa, but the difference is the sustainability of it. And nothing that Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is saying that aside from say Obabe continue 1D 1F no, okay, he is also coming to allocate 3% of Ghana's GDP. So he's saying GDP 1.3 trillion to the private sector because Sister Felicia, America away and the UK free. Most of a year kind of saying employment comes from a year kind of saying the private sectors, not that because governments want me especially in Ghana. Yes, some governments always say kind of say my buyer by me terminate na me mini be go honum. Private sector won't mean yes it's not so Obabe allocated 3% of our total GDP. Exactly, to the private sector to boost the economy and then to also create jobs. This is the difference between presidential candidate Mahama 24-hour economy and let me tell you, when we saw a friend say, Papa, they call around the old bubu said, tot he. Angwa Odu house, my baby, Angwa shop, Odu house, my baby, Mekodent, Odu house, my baby, way, no. You know, 1D, 1F. So he has not been able to give us any practical, any ideas of his own. Only be the man has me say, Papa ne dear, Oma ko force no sell, obey my president, obi na ko cartoon na dream because he is not prepared. He's not, aside from Ejuma, they don't have anything else to say. Ejuma no krano, if you ask them how, you realize that it is 1D, 1F. Na panas, and Uncle Shen Kutupano. Nanka saw the no chinets nasi. No man ideas. Because I see any day, you see, we are tired. And Dr. Nyamano Kaninano, what means a feasible, what's national dream, what means ampa, a kind of sense, GDP, 3% allocation. It makes sense. Because if you boost the private sector now, what is going to happen is that your economy will also grow. And then, so say, economy expand, there will be more job creation in the masses. It's all I'm saying is that delegates for yes, Mama will be in fast social contract. Now, no, say, mechanics or the number quadruple. So, Munam Gusigana ho. Asan ofa fofra ba.
Snow at our Hana and Crawford crash at them.
What I say? It's so was another social contract, so or loan, we've moved past that.